Today, I'm going to harvest my beet. Now, I'm going to try and keep y'all with me while I do this, but it's, oh, there it is. God. Wow. She's a big one. She's a big girl. I gotta see. Oh. See what variety this is. So let me clean her up, y'all, and I'm gonna come right back. So this is the leaves, all the leaves to my beet. And this is my beet. Family, this is the largest beet I've ever grown. It is just the largest. It's really big. But I wanted to find out the variety of this beet because I drop Chicosia and I drop Detroit beets. So what I did was I cut her bottom, and that's what she is. She is a Chicosia beet. She is a Chicosia beet. And this is the biggest Chicosia beet I've ever grown. Ever. Yeah, baby. Yeah. So, family, let me just say this to you. What you're looking at right here, you know, all of this here, you're looking at my dinner, baby. Because I'm going to eat this for dinner tonight. She had long roots in there. Look at this. Just a long roots. She loved that soil. But anyway, guys, so now I'm going to just walk around my garden with you all and share with you all some of my fruit trees. Come on, baby, let's go inside. Let's go on inside. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful, beautiful day. So today I want to share with you all just some of my fruit trees. No, I don't have a whole bunch of them, but I got what I got. All right. So this is my Fuyu persimmon, and she is doing amazing. Yeah, every branch have lots and lots of Fuyus. Yeah, she is full. She's full and she is beautiful. Hey, girl. Yeah. So that is my Fuyu persimmon. And right next door to it is my olive tree. And she's doing really good too. She have olives on them. Now I'm just waiting for them to grow and get big. But they're there. Yeah. So I'm sitting under my olive tree, but this is my first Cosmo of the year. And of course there's many more coming, but you are the first, baby. You are the first. Yeah. She's sitting under the olive tree. Yeah. So let me share this tree with you. So this is the smallest of the two fig trees that I have in my garden. I mean, she's small, but she's smaller than the other fig tree, but she ain't no baby. She ain't no baby, y'all. That's a pear tree back there. Yeah, but yeah. And she is in a container. And yes, baby girl got fruits. Yeah, she got fruits. Yeah. So it's a brown turkey fig tree. Yeah. Of course, that is my pomegranate, and she is very tall. She's in the ground. Oh boy. Yeah, she's in the ground, and yes, she is gorgeous. I look out my bedroom window and I can see her. It's really beautiful. This is a black Italian fig. That's who that is right there. And sitting next to her and just spreading their wings all over. I'm going to have to move them over because this is the Black Mission. And she is just spreading out all over. Just, yeah, she's getting wider and wider. I may end up putting her in the ground. I may do that. Yeah, but this is the Black Mission and this is the Black Italian. They sit right next to each other. And the Black Mission is hogging all the air. Yeah, all of it. This is my mandarin orange tree, and she is so full of oranges. Just all over. She have oranges everywhere. She's doing good. Yeah. This is my pineapple pear, and she's full of pears. And she's doing great. Yeah, baby. Yeah. So this is the biggest brown turkey in a container, but she's in the ground. And this is her. She's going in the ground. We got to get her in the ground, y'all. Yeah. She's huge. She is huge. Yeah. But anyway, that's her. So this tree here is a tree that I inherited. I did not plant this tree. This is an elderberry. And yeah, so I've been here like 24 years, and yeah, that's how long she's been here. Yeah. Now back here amongst these little baby elderberries that comes up everywhere, there is a lemon tree back there. And she do have lemons. Yeah, she had lemons. This is my LSU Gold. Oh yeah, delicious. This is LSU Purple. Check out Purple. Yeah, baby. She got them. I don't know if the gold have any. I don't think. She usually is the last one to get her figs. And this is the purple. There's more figs on the purple. LSU Purple. And this is my baby. This is my baby here, y'all. This is Fiona. My very first air lay. So, see, this is another elderberry growing up. Anyway, but will y'all look at Fiona? Fiona don't play, y'all. She just don't. She just don't. Every branch she have figs on them. Fiona is amazing. Yeah, that's Fiona. Wait a minute. There's another one I'll show you. Right there. Fiona is just my girl. My girl. Yeah, but that's Fiona. And that's that brown turkey. He's leading everywhere. But we gonna fix you, baby. We gonna fix you. This is another Maya lemon tree here. And yes, she has some lemons on her. But she's doing good. She's doing good. But let's go and check out. Oh, I see a monarch butterfly in the garden. Wait a minute. And there it is, right there on that Zena. It's a monarch butterfly. She's here. Enjoy, baby. The Zenas are blooming all over. This is a little guava tree my daughter bought for me. And I want to put her in the ground. But we'll see. We'll let her sit there for a while. Yeah. This is my bay leaf tree. That's her. So this is one of 2 blueberry bushes I have. Y'all see that? Ooh, that thing look ready to me. She done swelled up. That's the first. Yeah. Oh, oh, she was ready. Here's another one. Wait, but I think maybe by this evening, maybe. Yeah. To the first time white potato growers, these are making flowers. Once they make flowers, they begin to die, and then it's time to harvest. These plants here, they're dying. And this was the first planting of potatoes. Yeah, she's making her flowers, and her leaves are dying. Yeah. And once they make their flowers, then the plant begin to die and look all crazy. You're like, what's going on with my plant? It's all good, baby. That is the process, right? Then it's time to harvest. But anyway, let's go and check out the plantains. Oh yeah. So this is my oldest MinGa, and as you can see, she's growing back. Boom, boom. That's her. Come on, mama. Here is my red roses that I have in my garden. It's a red roses, just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yeah. That is the plantains. Oh yeah. They getting there, baby. They getting there. So the weatherman said that we will not have any rain until Sunday. But it looks like it's gonna rain out here. But you know, everybody is watered. You know, I done gave everybody some water today, and everybody is doing good. So if the rain comes, great. If the rain don't show up, and then that's still fine. Yeah, but the elderberry she's putting on some flowers. Yeah, and more flowers over there. Those roses over there, they're beautiful. Yeah. All right, guys. I want to thank y'all for hanging out. I hope you all have a beautiful day. Later.